From Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the FAQ element from WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, let's start. Imagine that you already have your WordPress plugin installed, okay? So if you don't have WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin installed yet, let me know into the comment section below so I can help you on it. After this, move to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Now review the left sidebar of menus and you can go to page and create a new page or go to a previously made page. I'm gonna create a new page, okay? You're gonna be able to see this layout right here. This is the WordPress blocks editor, the Gutenberg. But to access the plugin, you're gonna need to click into this blue button into the upper middle section. Call it WPBakery Page Builder. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna be loading the WordPress Classic Editor, okay? And here you're gonna be able to see two new options to edit your page: Backend Editor and the Front-End Editor. We're gonna explore both, but to start we're gonna use the Backend Editor to make things simple. This is an empty page. Select the layout and start building. We're gonna use theme layout. That is the option that have navigation menus, footer. In the case that you're doing a landing page, the blank page is best for you because it only gonna show in the page the elements that apply right here into the page editor. No global elements from the site. I'm gonna use theme layout and I'm gonna click into this button, add element. Right here, you're gonna review all the elements that the plugin offers, okay? And in the upper right corner of your screen, there is a search field. You can search for FAQ or find the element right here. Here is an FAQ element. Toggle elements for Q&A block. Click on it. I'm gonna save change and preview the page. Into the upper right corner of my screen, there is a button, save draft and preview. I'm gonna preview the page and here is how the element gonna looks like, okay? Here is a FAQ. Now, let's explore a little more about the plugin interface, okay? If I click into the button, we can apply more elements in new rows, okay? What is a row? Row is a section that separates elements, okay? And the element can be moved between rows. In the case that you hover a mouse over it, click on the mouse button, hover and drag and drop, okay? Simple, right? We can delete the rows into the X button. And if you hover a mouse over the row, left side, there is an option, drag row and the columns. We can apply columns, okay? I'm gonna use 2 columns layout, just like this. Now, if I hover my mouse over the toggle element, there is an option to drag and drop, an option to edit, to clone, and to delete. I'm gonna clone this 2 times, 3 times, and I'm gonna move to the site one of them, just like this. Now, what else I can do? I can edit, and let's start exploring, okay? We have the toggle title, okay? We can type the title that you want. We can use custom fonts in the case that you prefer. We can type more text right here. We can include images in the case that you need. We can bold the text. We can make it italic. And there is all of the WordPress toolbars. We can paint colors just like this, okay? Simple, right? If we scroll down just a little bit, we have the style. We have simple, round, round outline, rounded, rounded outline. Let's explore this round. We can change the icon color for a blue one, for example. The size, we can change normal, large or small. Default status, open or closed, okay? Normally we load all closed. And we can apply an animation for loading, okay? In the case that you want. Element ID and CSS class name in the case that you want to do a bit of coding. Let's preview the results we got. And here is our toggle element. Nice, right? If you like the layout, we can keep editing. If not, and if you once we selected use custom font into this option, just like this, we can use heading, and we can change the heading style. We can change the position, the tag, the font size, line height, text color. We can use the default theme font family, the font style, and apply CSS animation to this text as well. And the design options to play with margin, border, and padding. Once I like this layout, I'm gonna just clone. I'm gonna publish my page into the upper right corner of your screen to have the page saved, and let's review the page. And here is the layout we have made. How to customize this? And into the front end, just like Elementor works, for example. Next to Edit Page, into the upper toolbar of WordPress Editor, we have the option Edit with WPBakery Page Builder. We're gonna click on it. As soon as you do this, we're gonna load the WordPress front-end editor, okay? The WPBakery plugin front-end editor. It's just like the back-end editor, but you can see the results immediately. Here is how the page gonna looks like, and you can even edit the page how it's gonna looks like on tablet, on mobile, just like this. Now we are on the front-end editor. Right here, you can call on the element, just like this. And if you edit the element, in order to change any part of this, for example, style, rounded outline, purple, size large, let me save it. Here is the result we got, okay? You can see the result immediately. And we can change the row, for example, changing the column or the entire row. And it is. Always remember to hit the update white button into the upper right corner of your screen to save the change you made. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where we can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your games. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blogs, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!